Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. So I bought a backrest with luggage rack off of eBay for my 2002 Honda Rebel 250. So let's get it installed. So the backrest came with this exceptionally sturdy box. So let's see what's inside. That is the luggage rack portion. There's the backrest. Okay, hardware. And there's the backrest. Alright, that's it. These look like they should bolt right up there. Pretty easy installation, I hope. So these are just 17mm bolts. This one I believe has a nut on the back of it. This one does not, should just come undone. Let's see what we got. Yep, that comes right off. How about this one? Yeah. Well, I'm just kind of holding the nut with my fingers. Okay, and there's that nut and bolt. Alright, so now we're just going to put this bracket right back on here. And this nut and bolt right back on here, just like that. All right, and tighten them back up. Okay, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, I'm actually going to leave these loose just a little bit so that I have some flexibility when I put the other pieces on. Alright, so this didn't really come with any instructions, but it doesn't look too complicated. So there are 4 of these screws. They have an Allen wrench head. It is, I believe, a 5mm. So, and the nut that goes on the back is a 10mm. So I'm just going to fit everything by hand first, and then I'll tighten it up. So is this going to fit inside? These are like kind of almost exactly the same size. So one of them has to adjust a little bit. I'll bolt through here just to hold everything in place. And then we're going to get this piece. And that's going to go on the outside. Just like that. Alright, now I just got to get everything lined up. There's that. 1. That on. Let's try this, get one on this side. And that's in. Let's get a nut on there. Oops. All right. Now, And the last one on. Should line up pretty well. Alright, now let's see. As you can see, I just have everything very loosely fitted together. And as I tighten these in, I think everything will flex into place. Alright, and then I'm going to put the backrest on. Now I'm just going to tighten these down, just make sure they're good with this socket. Okay, the only thing left to do is put the pad on. Alright, I'm guessing that they don't pre-mount this to kind of give you some flexibility about where you want to put it. So I think I'm going to go with it right around there. Yeah. I think that looks good. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can mark it with this pencil. Right about here. See if I can see these marks. Yes, I can see those marks. Alright, so now I'm just gonna, I want to pre-drill this, and I'm just going to use a ruler and make sure that they are somewhat centered and even. 4 eighths, yeah. Not 4 1/2. 1 1/2, yeah. So, 1 and 1 3/4. That one's in 1 3/4. So I have it centered well this way, but I need to adjust one of these and adjust this one up a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Okay, now I am going to pre-drill the hole for the screw to go into. Yeah, you definitely want to be careful not to go all the way through. That's good enough. And these are just Phillips head screws. Okay. Alright, that's good and secure. Okay, as you can see, once I tightened those bolts, that kind of pulled everything in. So that's all snug and tight together. So I think that installation went pretty well. As far as quality, I think that some of the welds could be a little bit neater on this luggage rack, but I'm much more interested in the function of the item. I just need it to hold my lunchbox while on my way to work. Alright, so I'm going to be making a lot more videos on this motorcycle, and I'm going to create a playlist of them right here. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to go in there and watch more. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care.